part of the Williford Spring. The water's coming up from the bank here in the limestone shoreline. So here I am paddling. It's the 1st of November just finished coming down Econfina Creek. Beautiful Williford Springs there, and some great paddling. Saw a couple of duck hunters about a half an hour ago, and I've just entered the transition from Econfina Creek into Deerfield Lake, which is the freshwater lake adjacent to North Bay, which I'll paddle to the dam there and then I'll portage. But I'm in this swampy area that used to be, well, it used to be forest, and then when they flooded the lake, this has become, I guess, a swamp, and it's got gators in it. The hunters confirmed that for me this morning. And there's hidden stumps all over the place. Like you can see one there, and right below my boat right there. And they're just at the perfect height. When you're paddling along, you run over them and you lose your balance. And so you got to paddle really slow to get through these. And the worst part is I don't exactly know the way out. I know where I came from and I know where I need to go, but I don't know the best route out of this place. So it's going to be a slow paddle so I don't capsize and go swimming with the gators, although it's probably not that dangerous. It's not what I want to do today. Anyway, that's my paddle. Good luck to me.